Hello guys, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be talking about how to send star to your friend on Telegram. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your Telegram app this way. The next thing is to tap on three dots at the left corner of your Telegram. Tapping on the three dots, you just have to navigate to settings. You are going to scroll down and see option for Telegram Premium, My Star, and Telegram Business, Send a Gift. You just have to tap on My Star. Now you're going to see option for you to buy star and gift star to a friend. So you have to tap on that option. So you just have to select the particular friend that you want to send a star to. So let me say I'm sending a star to this first person here. So there are different package of different stars here. So I just have to choose the particular package I want to send. Then the amount for each of them is also indicated. I just have to tap on the first one, which says 100 star. Tapping on the first one, you're going to see an option for me to enter my credit card or debit card in order to pay for the 100 stars as indicated, which immediately I finish paying for this, the star will be sent to this particular person and the person will be able to unlock content and service on Telegram. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do not forget to give me a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, give this video a like. It's going to help this video a lot, and your comment is also required. Ask all your questions and we'll always get a reply to it. Thanks for watching.